What if a simple clock on your desk could do much more than just show the time? Imagine a smart frame that can display your favorite photos, play videos, show pixel animations, connect with your phone, and even help you stay productive throughout the day. Sounds interesting, right? Today we're taking a look at the Divoom Time Frame, a unique digital display that combines a 10.1-inch HD screen, smart app control, AI pixel art, and over 400 customizable clock faces. But is it just a cool desk showpiece, or does it actually offer real daily usefulness? Let's unbox it, set it up, and see what this device is truly capable of.
Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the Divoom Time Frame. So now, let's go ahead and unbox the product and see what we get inside. First, we get two cards. These cards are actually meant to be placed behind the time frame. When you attach them, they help reduce or dim the backlight a little. Next, we have the main product itself. Let's open it. Wow, this is the actual product. It looks very sturdy and well built. The design is really nice and premium. Let's see what else comes in the box. Here we have a quick start guide, which includes the basic instructions for getting started. Then we also get a full user manual explaining the device in detail. There is also a microfiber cleaning cloth, which you can use to clean the screen. And finally, we get a power cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is used to power the device. So that's everything included in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the main product. On the front, you can see the time frame display with a beautiful orange accent design that gives it a nice contrast. On one side, there is an LED light strip, and on the other side, we have a metal hanger-style stand, which feels very solid. Here we also see a metal selection button, and on this side, there are two knobs. One of them most likely controls display brightness, while the other one is probably used to navigate different functions or menus. There is also a back button and what seems to be a settings button. On this side, we can see a lighting grill, and if we look at the back, there is an open space where the backlight effect is generated. At the bottom corner on the back, there is a USB Type-C port for power. There are also two rubber grips at the bottom, which help keep the device stable on the surface and prevent it from slipping. Now let's connect the power and see how it works. Alright, we have connected the power cable, and as you can see, the backlight immediately turns on. It's quite bright and clean white, and there isn't an option to change the color. Now let's press the button. If we place the card behind the frame, the backlight becomes slightly dimmer. And now we can see the animation effect appearing on one side, while the other side shows different interface elements. When we first start the device, it asks us to configure the basic settings. First, we need to select the language. To select, you can press the roller button in the middle. After that, the device asks us to connect to Wi-Fi. To do this, you need to install the Divoom app from the Play Store or App Store. Alternatively, you can simply scan the QR code on the box to download it. We scanned the QR code, and the app appeared instantly. The app size is quite small, only around 42 megabytes. After installing it, we open the app and select Add Device. First, you need to create an account. You can sign up using your email, or you can also use Facebook or Twitter. After creating the account, the app asks for your date of birth, which we entered. Then it asks whether you want to add an email for account protection. You can add it if you want, but for now, I will skip it. Next, we go to Add Device, allow the necessary permissions, and the app automatically finds the photo frame configuration. Once we select it, we proceed to network pairing. We enter our Wi-Fi name and password, and the device connects successfully. After that, the device performs a small update, and then it generates a sharing code. With this code, your friends can also send photos or files to the device. Next, we select a clock face, adjust the clock settings, and add a photo from our gallery. Once the photo is added, it appears instantly on the frame. Now, if we press the control button, we can see all the photos that have already been added. By rotating the roller knob, you can easily switch between different images. For example, if I select a photo and choose Play from Current Photo, the slideshow will start from that image. From the control menu, you can also turn the screen off, adjust screen brightness, adjust ambient brightness, control video volume, change color settings, and add ambient effects. The ambient effects mainly control the animation lighting on the side of the device. If we change the effect, you can see that the animation style changes instantly. There is also a sleep mode option. Screen brightness and ambient brightness can both be adjusted from here. Pressing the back button takes us back to the previous menu. There is also a settings section where you can configure the clock face, alarms, utilities, alarm management, and more. Inside utilities, you will find features like timer, countdown, scoreboard, noise detection, Google Calendar integration, and Microsoft Calendar integration. Overall, the mobile app is very dynamic and offers a lot of customization options. From the app, you can change the time frame design, access designer tools, use the Pomodoro timer, and explore many other features. There is even an AI drawing feature. For example, if I write cat, the AI will generate a pixel art image of a cat. You can also create your own pixel drawings, customize colors, and upload them to the Divoom Cloud Gallery, where other users can see them as well. In the app, you can also manage alarms, clock faces, RSS news, stock information, and calendar widgets. So overall, this device works really well as a digital showpiece. It's also quite useful for productivity, since you can set countdown timers or reminders to help you stay focused. At the same time, since it's a digital photo frame, you can display your favorite memories and let them appear in a beautiful slideshow. Personally, I really like the build quality. The product feels very sturdy and well built, and the overall experience is quite impressive. Overall, the Divoom Time Frame is a very unique and impressive device that combines both style and functionality. It's not just a simple clock or digital frame, it works as a smart desk companion. The 10.1-inch HD display looks sharp, the build quality feels sturdy, and the ambient lighting effect adds a nice visual touch to any setup. The mobile app is also very dynamic, allowing you to customize clock faces, upload photos and videos, create pixel art, and even use productivity tools like timers and reminders. With 64 GB storage and extensive customization options, it offers plenty of flexibility. If you're looking for something that works as a digital showpiece and a functional smart display, the Divoom Time Frame is definitely worth considering. If you're interested, you can definitely give it a try. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked this product, I will leave the purchase link in the description box so you can check it out from there.